Hello guys, this is Chaudhary and you are watching TechKnowledge. So today I'm going to show you how to make a thumbnail with the use of PowerPoint. So let's begin this video. So first I'm going to open my PowerPoint and I'm going to change layout blank and I'm going to select some pictures, desktop, this one and this and this one. Okay, so this image will be my background. Okay, background of my thumbnail. So I'm so here you can see I separate this image over the slide. Then I'm going to send to back. Okay, and I'm going to remove this image background, YouTube background, remove background, and also I made the special video about areas to keep. Okay, keep changes. Okay. So I'm going to select text box and I'm going to write caps lock and how to make. Okay, and I'm going to select and font this one. Okay, and now I'm going to write thumbnails. Thumbnails. Edit save. This. Thumbnails. Okay, and I'm going to select white and the font this. Okay, and so now it looks better. And I'm going to select one image. Not this. I'm going to flip, rotate. Okay. And I'm going to write or in PowerPoint. Okay. So I'm going to change the color of the shape. Okay, and print the text white. So now it looks good, and after that I'm going to snip this image, snip with the use of snipping tool. And just the last step is save. And I'm going to save here and okay and save. So now you know how to make a thumbnail. Okay, so if you like this video, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Goodbye.